How to add special effects on Instagram messages. I will do this tutorial on my Instagram application on the Android device, but you can always do so on your iOS or any OSs that Instagram officially support. Also, a word of warning and a bit of a prerequisite: just make sure that your Instagram application is already updated to the latest version available on the Play Store or the App Store. First off, before we start this tutorial, please make sure that you click the subscribe button, ring that bell. Okay, without further ado, let's go. Fire up your Instagram application on your phone, and then from the Instagram dashboard, just go to your messages, and from that messages, just click whichever message that you want. And from there, all you need to do is just to enter the message. So for example, I will type howdy, and then I will click this button to the left of the message. And now, as you can see, that there are many stickers, any GIFs that you can scroll, you can add, or you can just select one of the special effects here. For example, we'll take this fiery approach, howdy, and that's pretty much how you add special effects on Instagram mobile application. As always, for more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure that you subscribe, like, and comment down to our channel. If you have any suggestions or any topics that you want us simply how to cover, please do not hesitate to put it on the comment section below. Cheers, I hope it helps, bye.